Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, where in this video I'll be reviewing Red. Red's a 1950s torture truck company fire truck appearing in Cars, Cars 2 and Cars 3. He's Radiator Springs' only fire truck. He's also the town's most sensitive resident. Red gets easily upset and he's been known to retreat to his fire station when things get on top of him, which seems to be most of the time. Red might be shy, but he also has a lot of friends around town who feel very protective towards him. Red's hose is always very useful. Not only does he water all the town's flowers, but he's also given Lightning McQueen a good soak from time to time. Also, Red may not be a fire truck in many words, but what he doesn't say, he shows for his generous actions. There it's putting out a tire fire or caring for the beautiful flowers. Red's there to support and protect his beloved town. Red takes negative comments very personally. So you have something bad to say about Radiator Springs, you'd better watch out. Because if there's one thing Red's not afraid of, it's his emotions. Now, Red's fire truck and movie Cars, well, and the other two, as I previously mentioned. He lives in the firehouse. His usual pastime is watering the flowers that decorate Stanley's statue, which he appears to care for very much. And if he ever gets upset, like he cries. And upon arriving in Radiator Springs, Lightning McQueen accidentally destroyed Red's flower garden, which, well, we obviously weren't very happy about. And he was also, well, meant to be voiced by Jerry Rampt, but he died in 2005, which was one year before Cars was released. R.I.P. Joe. You've been missed. But let's go on to the design now. So as you can see, he's red. Hence the name. A fire truck, 1950s, which was obviously when he appeared. We appeared in Radiator Springs. Then let's see, he's got he's obviously got a siren, whatever. See the headlights. Now whatever this thing is on the front, little circle thing, like a nose, yeah? As you can see here, Radiator Springs Fire Department, and hoses and ladders, standard fire truck stuff. Let's see, and for some reason he's got different rims on the front and the back. Not sure why. Let's see, his number plate reads 002. Not sure what that's meant to mean, but still. It means something. Probably known Pixar it does. Now, let's compare him to a couple others in terms of sizes. So, I don't know. Here's McQueen. I don't know. Stacy. Look at her, she's tiny. Luigi. Chief RPM. All very different, in terms of sizes, and obviously cars, models. Obviously, Chief RPM, Crew Chief, Race Car, Fire Truck, Pity, and, well, Car. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say, so I'll see you in the next video.